Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Design. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Also, please leave a comment. I love reading your comments and it's a wonderful way for me to connect with my subscribers. Today, I have a new design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I created these gorgeous mini French frame embellishments. Before I review this project, let me show you some of the items that I used. To make these fans, I used the Stamperia Grand Hotel Collection. I absolutely love this. I did a full review of the paper stack in my previous video, and I'll be sure to link that in the description box below. You can purchase this at ASC Craft Supplies. They have 2 retail locations, one on Etsy as well as a website. Also, you can use my code ROBYN10, all in caps, to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. To make the fans, I used a beautiful die set from Griffin called Mini French Fans. And it has 3 different fan designs. Let me show you. These are the 3 different frame dies that you receive. Each of the frames also include a shadow die that you can include behind the frame. You also receive a tassel which has a shadow layer. Now the great thing about them is that you can fold these just like regular fans to give them additional dimension. So let me show you the fans. I made the 3 different designs. Here's the first example. And as you can see, I just simply accordion folded this fan to give it dimension. And I used Basil 80-pound cardstock. The decorative element I cut from the Stamperia Grand Hotel paper, and then I further embellish it by adding these floral sprays. We have these dark red satin roses and then these little berries here in the back. And then I finished it off with coordinating crinkled seam binding here and then a bead of pearls. This is the second design, which is slightly larger than the first fan that I showed you. I used blue flowers and a pink floral spray and then pink crinkled seam binding. Again, I attached the little tassel here on the bottom with more pearls. And if I turn this on the side, you can see that this has a deeper bend on the accordion fold to give it more dimension. These, I think, would make a perfect embellishment for a card, for a scrapbook layout. It could be used on a package. This is the third design, and I love the scalloped trim on the top. We have more of these beautiful deep red roses, more of the seam binding, and again, you can see the detail on the side. Here's another one. And these are so easy to make. I did not make a tutorial because you're simply using the die cut images, you're gluing them together, and then adding in floral sprays. Here's another one. I love this crinkled seam binding. Now to make the bows, I used my Bow-It-All and the last fan. This concludes my review of my beautiful French mini fans. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, be sure to join me tomorrow for my next project using the Stamperia Grand Hotel paper collection. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye for now, and happy crafting.